Hello student, myself Ajay Gupta as your mathematics teacher. Welcome you in your mathematics lecture 11. Before starting the lecture, it is inform you that please purchase your copy and book and do all work on your fair copy. Now studying the today's lecture. In this lecture, we solve exercise 2.2. In this exercise, we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. What is the zeros of the polynomial? The value at which the polynomial gives 0 is known as the zeros of the polynomial. That means value, it is simple a number, value at which the polynomial gives 0 is known as the zeros of the polynomial. As an example, find the value of the following polynomial at indicated value of variables. We have to find the given value of the given polynomial at this. So it is simple to find. Simply replace the value of replace x by 1. So the px is this. So what is the value of p1? We got, put in the x is equal to 1. We got 5 and x replaced by 1 power 3 as it is minus 3 into the value of x 1 plus 7. Now the power 1 cube, we got 1 minus 3 into 1 3 plus 7 5 minus 3 plus 7. We can simplify it. 5 minus 3 2 plus 7, we got 9. This is your answer. Again solve another question. Px is equal to x plus 2 at x is equal to minus 2. What is the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 2? Simply replace the value of x by minus 2. So x replaced by minus 2, we got, put in the value of x minus 2 plus 2, simply cancel out, we got 0. At x is equal to minus 2, we find the value of polynomial is 0. So x is equal to minus 2 or x plus 2 is equal to 0 is the zeros of the polynomial. This is the zeros of the given polynomial. Again, how to find the zeros of the polynomial? Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following case. We have given a question. In this question, we are trying to find the zeros of the polynomial. It is easy to write px is equal to 0. And now put in the value of px, it is x plus 5. So x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now transferring the value of this part, constant parts. When we transfer in this side, this is converting minus 5. So minus 5 is the zeros of the given polynomial. So minus 5 is zeros of given polynomial. This is your final answer. Again, solve another question. How to find the zeros of the given polynomial? So it is simple and similar to previous question. Put px is equal to 0. Now put in the value of px. Px is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 2x, transfer 5 at this side. we got -5. Sign change. Now transfer the value, this value to in this side, because we have our target to find the value of x. So x is equal to -5, and this value change in denominator 2. So this is the zeros of the polynomial. So -5 by 2 is zeros of given polynomial. This is your homework and trying to solve this. Thank you so much for watching the video.